The latch is mounted in the trunk lid and has an electrical switch and cable release mechanism to open the trunk. If yours fails, the trunk may not stay closed or it may rattle. To access the trunk latch, start by unclipping the trunk support trim cover as indicated by the red arrows. The left side is shown. Repeat the steps for the opposite side of the vehicle. Then unclip the trunk support trim cover, red arrow, from the trunk carpet trim and remove from the vehicle. The right side is shown. Repeat the steps for the opposite side of the vehicle. Remove the safety handle from the trunk lid mount, then unclip the cable, red arrow, from the handle and remove. Next, remove the 8 Phillips head plastic expanding screws as indicated by the red arrows, then remove the 2 T25 torque fasteners, blue arrow. Remove the molded carpet trim from the trunk lid, blue arrow. Working at the trunk lid latch, pull the electrical connector, red arrow, straight out to remove. Working at the trunk latch, remove the 2 T30 torque fasteners, red arrows. Pull the latch down far enough to access the emergency release cable as indicated by the red arrow. To release the cable, first unclip the tab, red arrow, and hold it, then twist the cable housing to remove from the latch, blue arrow. Once out, rotate the cable end 90 degrees and detach. Remove the latch. Reverse the steps to install the new latch and cable. Before closing the trunk, close the latch using a flathead screwdriver and confirm it releases using the key. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article, along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.